Hi everyone, and I hope you all are doing good. And we have 70 days left with us. Uh, and in these 70 days, days are not very small also, and these days are इतना भी नहीं है कि आप बहुत बड़ा change ला सको. We have already built a foundation, and on that foundation only we can work, right? Like for example, we can't read any particular subjects from the beginning. आप अब फ्रेश स्टार्ट नहीं कर सकते हो. सो वॉट एवर यू हैव डन इन द लास्ट 7 to 8 months, आपको उसी के ऊपर काम करना है, राइट? मे बी यू हैव रेड फ्यू चैप्टर्स, यू हैव नॉट रेड फ्यू चैप्टर्स, तो आप बिगिनिंग से कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So basically what I really want to say is that whatever things you have covered in 7 to 8 months, consider them as a very strong tool, and you have to work on those things, and you have to qualify this examination. Okay, now don't try to push yourself back thinking कि आपने कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स नहीं किए हैं, आपके चैप्टर्स रह रहे हैं, आपका 60-70% सिलेबस रह रहा है. It's not very important that you just complete your 70, 90%, 100% सिलेबस. आप 60-70% भी अच्छे से करके जाओगे तो आप बिल्कुल इस एग्जाम को क्वालिफाई करके आओ. 100% आई एम सेइंग यू दिस. ओके, now most of you may be here like kind of struggling with your mock test paper. Maybe you are getting low scores, or due to lack of revision आप अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रहे हो, या आप silly mistakes कर रहे हो. This is a major reason, right? So you have seen the examination hall, the students coming out of the hall, they are mostly bothered about the questions they did silly mistakes, right? Because वो उन questions की बात नहीं करते जो उनको नहीं आता. Because of those silly mistakes, 4, 5, 6 questions wrong way, and then they are not able to qualify. So try to not do silly mistakes. But अगर हो भी रहे, you have 70 days time. Every single day you try to reduce it. Okay, every single day ये होगा. Now important here is I don't want anyone to just be out of the race at this particular phase. Okay, because ये phase ऐसा है कि everyone not everyone, but most of the एक major section of student है, वो आपको visible नहीं है, but वो mentally they are just pulling themselves back. Okay, उनको ऐसा feel होने लगेगा, I don't know what that feeling is, कि उनका preparation नहीं है, उनके scores कम आ रहे हैं, and unnecessary they will just try to prove themselves, they will just try to convince कि आप तैयार नहीं हो इस exam के लिए. Why they are doing this? Because they are getting low marks, or they are not able to recall the concepts. But please, this is a process. It happens with every single student, right? It's not like that those who are performing well, they are going to qualify. Those who are not, they will not. ऐसा नहीं है, ये concepts नहीं है, ये concept बिल्कुल नहीं है valid, right? Like I'll give you example. Last year in the Gold Tide, like around 48 to 52 students, they wrote mains, and before examination I was only sure about some few students, but those students, like I was not like kind of कि होगा कि नहीं होगा, they qualified even mains exam, and they used to score around 65 to 75 to 80 in their prelims mock test papers, and they qualified UPSC very well. Okay, so आपको please don't try to pull yourself back. ये बहुत बड़ा reason है इस phase में mostly students try to. आप बने रहिए and try to keep moving. Now important is that every single day what exactly you have to do is आप silly mistakes करना बंद करो. आप जो topics you have already read आप उसको गलत करना बंद करो ना. This is very very, अगर आप उसको गलत करोगे तो it's not good, right? तो आप उसको revision को, silly mistakes को every single day आप कोई statements read कर रहे हो तो आप कुछ भी ऐसी गलती मत करो कि यू आर 100% श्योर अबाउट दैट, बट आप पैनिक होके या फिर आप घबरा के उसको गलत कर रहे हो. इन चीजों को अवॉइड करने की कोशिश करो. एग्जाम इनकी वजह से ही नहीं होता है. ओके, एग्जाम कभी भी इसलिए नहीं होता कि आपको नॉलेज नहीं है. यू आर ऑलवेज लाइक काइंड ऑफ 8-10 मार्क्स सॉर्ट ऑफ कट ऑफ, राइट? तो आपका 8-10 मार्क्स 4-5 क्वेश्चंस you do mistakes deliberately there, okay, due to any reason, so you have to avoid this. Now the major problem right now I think with the history section, history is always kind of आप कभी भी चले जाओ, like some students so deliberately try to create problem with history. But it's very simple. It was very loud and clear in the very beginning that you have to do NCRTs with the history. You don't have to do any other books. Someone will do spectrum and all, but it's fine. If you have done history, if you have not done anything, it also will work. But अगर आपने history का NCRT भी नहीं किया है, then I think this is not a good for you, because you are going to miss some basic questions from. और अभी आप start भी नहीं कर सकते, right? तो हिस्ट्री के लिए प्लीज डोंट पैनिक. वी ऑल नो दैट आउटपुट रेशियो बहुत कम है. मीनिंग इज लाइक वॉट एवर वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी, थिंग्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट इन हिस्ट्री, बट बेसिक्स तो करना है ना. लाइक अगर आपको कोई बेसिक्स क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, या क्रिप्स मिशन पे आ रहा है, या कोई बेसिक मूवमेंट्स जितने भी हुए हैं, यू हैव टू अरेंज क्रोनोलॉजिकली, तो आप वैसे क्वेश्चंस गलत नहीं कर सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दे आस्क्ड जस्ट अरेंज देम द रूलर्स दे हैव अराइव्ड इन इंडिया. तो आप उन क्वेश्चंस को गलत करोगे तो वो बहुत सिंपल मिस्टेक्स होंगी, राइट. दे आर जस्ट यू आर लूजिंग मार्क्स सिंपली, राइट. तो उन पे अगर आपको कमांड है तो बहुत अच्छी चीज है. एनसीईआरटी पे कमांड है, यू विल रियली परफॉर्म वेल. तो एक एवरेज नंबर चाहिए हिस्ट्री में, आपको आएगा एंड यू डोंट हैव टू वरी. ओके, सो प्लीज डोंट थिंक टू मच अबाउट द हिस्ट्री पार्ट. आपका बेसिक्स को इंटैक्ट रखिए, अपना एनसीईआरटी जो पढ़ा है उसको रिवाइज कीजिए. नाउ इंपॉर्टेंट हियर इज अबाउट द मॉक टेस्ट पेपर यू आर गिविंग, राइट. ओके, आप जो भी मॉक टेस्ट पेपर ले रहे हैं, just one thing I would like to tell you that mock test paper in the market and whatever you are solving, some problem is there. Okay, a basic problem is there that coaching centers or someone, they are just trying to be smart with the paper, but they are not thinking the consequences of that. Students are already in the panic mode and they just try to smart and try to create something which is very outdated or off track, or it's not something very important, and they just try to create their impression, but it's not good for the students. Okay, so what I will suggest is, in spite of doing more and more mock test का मतलब 100 questions का paper, just try to solve the small sets of the paper. Okay, means like I don't want you to judge yourself on the basis of the score. Okay, आप 100 दोगे, आपके 60-70 आएंगे, यू विल स्टार्ट जजिंग योरसेल्फ. आप सारे पढ़ाई को बेकार बता के एंड यू विल जस्ट ट्राई टू अच्छा नहीं है, ये नहीं है, सो नेगेटिविटी इंस्टिल हो जाएगी, राइट. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू डू ए स्मॉल सेट. आप 50 क्वेश्चंस के सेट लगाओ एंड ट्राई टू डू मोर नंबर ऑफ काइंड ऑफ सब्जेक्ट स्पेसिफिक टेस्ट, राइट. एंड करंट अफेयर्स इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट, बट अगेन सब्जेक्ट स्पेसिफिक टेस्ट पे ज्यादा ध्यान दीजिए, एंड मोर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द इकोनॉमिक्स, पॉलिटी एंड ज्योग्राफी. ओके, ये बेसिक्स है, मतलब इनसे क्वेश्चंस जैसे आप पढ़ोगे वैसे आएंगे, बट नॉट विद द अदर थिंग्स लाइक हिस्ट्री. आउटपुट रेशियो इज वेरी लेस. एनवायरमेंट का सेम है, साइंस टेक का सेम है. सो इन 3 सब्जेक्ट्स पे पहले कमांड करो, आई हैव टोल्ड बिफोर, एंड देन विद द रेस्ट ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट्स. नाउ वन थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू इज दैट okay, so this is what about the mock test paper. Now don't try to judge with the scores and all. You all know that it's very easy for me to tell you, but आप लोग उसको नहीं digest कर पाते हो. Always you will try to put your scores thing and all. So थोड़ा सा minimum रखो उसको. Mentally you will be free. Okay, that's the only reason. Now on the Goldtide platform, those students who are registered now, okay. So one thing I will assure you, you have done enough practice. So we started with the basics with the NCERTs, then I tried to teach you the newspaper, the prelims aspect of the newspaper in the form of Abhyas session, in the form of newspaper prelims document. And right now we have entered into the miscellaneous part, what we call the 5 question series, right? 5 topics per day ka series. So that things are going on and it's immense, right? We have done a lot of practice. So please don't underestimate the content you are reading right now, or don't try to be like shifting to other things. You have enough current affairs to qualify this examination. I'm giving you that confidence, and just be assured about it. Okay, there's no if and but. 200% you are ready for the examination. Just this panic thing should go away from you. I'm telling you this is only thing which will just try to take you out. Okay, otherwise you are ready. If you are ready with the static current affairs and all, बहुत अच्छे से कवर हुआ है. Static also, you have learned a lot from the goal type, new questions, new concepts, acts, so many things, right? So now you are ready with it, and it doesn't matter 80%, 100% syllabus आपका हुआ है. If you are ready with the 50-60% syllabus, you are going there and you are going to qualify. Okay, but ये 70 days, don't be negative. So one task every single student is going to do: just get up in the morning, say positive 4 lines to you that yes, I am going to qualify this examination. I have worked hard for this examination. There is no single reason I will not qualify. Yeah, I may struggle, but I will fight and I will bounce back. Okay, you have to say this. When you sleep at night, you have to say these things to you. Your mind will reflect only what you think. Okay, and in the time of distress, वो वही reflect करेगा जो आप सोचते हो. So keep trying to be positive. आप अपने आप को पॉजिटिव रखो और इस एग्जाम को आगे करने की कोशिश करो. ओके, रेस्ट थिंग्स आर, एवरीथिंग इज ऑन द पाथ. सब चल रहा है. फ्रॉम टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आवर डेली क्विज आल्सो, resume आवर डेली क्विज, एंड वी हैव फुल लेंथ ऑन 20, राइट? सो बहुत अच्छा फुल लेंथ है. ट्राई टू गिव, आई हैव नॉट ट्राई टू बी स्मार्ट. I just try to cover the topics which were in news, which I gave you and all, but all the questions are different. Okay, they are not the same at all. You won't find such questions in the quiz or in any kind of other things I gave you. This all will be new, right? So rest to अच्छे से सीखो, and whatever the mistakes you did, try to learn. So this is for the today. I wish you all the best for the next 70 days. और कोई भी issue है, let me know. Thank you so much.